Hi all, in today's tutorial I am going to show how to create your customizer report by using SAP Query. Here we can use the three T codes. First one is SQ03 creation of user groups, SQ02 creation of info sets, SQ01 creation of query. Okay, let's start. First start from SQ03 creation of user groups. SQ03, press enter. Here give the a name for your user group. I am giving ZMM60. So once you enter your user group, click on the create button. Here add the group. I am going to create material master report. I am giving name material master report. So once you enter the name, just click on the save. Now here assign the a local object. So just click on the local object. Yeah, now assign the users. Just click on this push button, assign users, push button. Yeah, here I'm adding the users. This is my user, I'm adding this user. So once you add the user, just click on the save button. Yes, now come back. Now create info set. To create info set, T code is SQ02. So before creating the info set, we need to look at the what report we are going to create. We are going to create this report. In the selection screen, we need to have these many fields. In report, we need to have these many columns. Now start to create info set. T code is SQ02. Now enter the here info set. I am entering ZMM60. So once you enter the info set, click on the create button. Here give the description. Material master report. So here I'm adding table MARA. So once you add the table, just click on the right button, continue button. Here click on the insert table button, add the few more tables. First I'm adding MAKT, continue. Next MARC, next one more, yeah, MBEW, material valuation data. So after adding the required tables, now click on the info set. Here select include key fields, this radio button. Now click on the continue. Now we need to add the fields to our report here. Okay, just expand this general material data, expand here also. Yeah, now just drag and drop required fields created on this field, also required. Now created by, this is also required. Material type required, material group required. Yeah, here say this description is too lengthy. So we can reduce by changing this. We can change this description. Just double click on this, scroll down. Here remove the existing text, type created by. Yeah, now press enter key. Yes, click on yes button. Now it's changed. Okay, so now we are finished general material data. So now we need to repeat the same steps for material description. Just expand expand, add material description. Yes, we added. Now plant material data is enough. Now valuation data, just expand it. Here we need to add the total value weighted stock. It's just drag and drop, just a drag and drop wherever you want to print this field. So suppose if you want to print after material number, you just drop here. So I want to print this total value weighted stock field after valuation type. Just add, that's it. Now collapse this, save. So before save, just click on the generate. Yes, no need to save, just come back. Yeah, now click on the rule or user group assignment, this push button. Yeah, now click on the find, enter our user group. Our user group is MZMM60. Click on continue button. Yes, now select this checkbox. Close this. Yes, so after selecting, just click on the save button. Come back. Now we need to create query. To create query, T code is SQ01. Press enter. Enter your query, ZM60. Now click on the create. So system automatically suggests our info set. Just double click on this. Yes, now give the title for our report. Yes. Yeah, so once you enter the title, now just click on the save button. Yeah, it's saved. Come back. Now click on the info set query, this push button. Yes, here just expand it. Here this is the selection fields. So what are all the checkbox I select here, it automatically comes in selection window, and the report comes here automatically. So I'm selecting in selection field, material number is required, created on required, created by required. See, it is coming automatically here. So created on also required, material type also required. In output, all things are required. So repeat the same steps for below items. So material number is not required, set description in selection field not required, because material number is not required, because why, it's already added here. Now select the output. So output also not required, material description required, language key is required. Yes, now collapse this one, expand this one. This is the plant is required in the selection window, and output is required. Now material number, so only I'm adding only total evaluated stock in output, report output. Yes, it's added here. Yeah, it's added here. Okay, so just observe here. Now it is showing the text actually. This material number text. Here also material type also it is showing text. Okay, how we can make it value? Just expand it. Just right click on this material number. Go to here output, select value. Yes, once you select the value, material turns to number. So like that, for material type also we need to change. Just select this one, right click, output, only value. Yes, now our metal type is turn to value. Now also same thing is required for plant also. Keep cursor, right click here in output, only value. Yes, okay, now we are did this. Just save this button, click on the save button. Yes, everything is fine. Yes, come back. We can execute this report by clicking on this execute button. Click on the execute button. So we give the created field, we need to give the user ID. Here created by, give the user ID, created on, give the dates. Here 0108, metal type is ROH. Now click on the execute button. Select this SAP list viewer radio button, click on execute. Yes, now our report is successfully came. So now go back. That's our today tutorial. Thank you.